Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I am also doing well. Today I am going to share my thoughts as well as I am trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's start. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, it's time to making video for myself as much as possible because I have a no work, but I'm looking forward any kind of job as much as possible. But in my village I can't be able to working in the field side because most of the people say you can't do it for anything. But when I was reached this place for any kind of work, I try to my best in the work side. I think this village most of the peoples are really bad. If you don't believe me for yourself, it was awful for myself because I need to any kind of job as much as possible because I try to help things for my family as well as myself. If I have a work, I must be working for any place. I hope if I have to concentration and work hard, then I will be able to do one day. I think it's a high time to visiting big city because when I was reach big city, then I think it was good and I have a many opportunity in the big city. That's why I decided I will be visiting big city in the next year. Then I will get a job opportunity for myself. In my opinion, it doesn't matter what people say about you. If you believe me for yourself, then you will be as if for anything in the world. Because if you have a concentration and struggle day by day, then you will be achieve your dream as soon as possible. However, I think if you live in a village, you must be believe me for yourself, because otherwise it was really bad for yourself as well as your family. If you have a dream, you must be work for day by day, then you will be able to do. When I was reached this place, as often as I could be making video for myself, whenever I want to improve my English, I hope in the recently my English is good, because when I was anyone, I am explore my emotions as well as myself. That's why I believe that my English is really good. So that's all fitty about me. Thank you everyone for your fashion Harry. See you next video. Have a nice day.